So you know I like to give you a rundown of my house before I start to clean. This is laundry. I started tackling it yesterday. My kids are starting school. Thank you, Jesus. And I've got lots of laundry to do. Yes, I did whisper that in the camera. They're actually playing together now because we've taken the electronics away. And, you know. So for this deep clean for my boys' room, I am going to have more upbeat, fast-paced music. I hope you guys enjoy it. You know, I like to play around with the music a little bit, so don't worry if it's not quite what you love. There'll be something for you in the next video. Make sure to let me know what kind of music you guys like in the comments below. But this is supposed to be an encouraging, uplifting, and motivational video, so I hope it gets you guys moving. So as you guys saw, I had a ton of laundry that I've been working on, so we've had a lot of clothes to put away and hang up. So I decided to go ahead and come in here because when I'm putting clothes away and hanging things up, I'm also purging out anything that they don't need, that they don't necessarily want to get rid of. So that's why I wanted to come in here right before school and hang up everything that I want them to keep and get rid of the things that I don't. Are you guys like me? Right before there is a holiday or birthday or back to school, any really kind of big event, I like to go into their room and get rid of things and just have a deep down clean. So I'm also going to clean off their dresser and get rid of some things that I don't think that they need anymore. So now I'm going to put away some books on their bookshelf. I've really been trying to encourage reading. Anybody have tips? My kids don't like to read and it kind of breaks my heart. And I always make sure to go under their dresser and under their bed because they always stash things under there that need to get cleaned out. Now on to cleaning these windows. You guys, I am embarrassed to say that I do not remember the last time I have wiped down these blinds and dusted them. It has been too long that I cannot remember. So if you guys are like me and it's been a really long time, don't feel bad. I'm right there with you. It doesn't matter how long it's been, just get in there and do it. I am so thankful for this little vacuum because it has made life so much easier when it comes to things just like this. Now on to washing the windows. I am using the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner, and like I have mentioned before, it's really growing on me. I'm starting to really like it. My husband decided to come in and help me because it looks like the string on the blinds are broken and I cannot pull them up without holding them, so we'll have to fix that. You know, whenever we get around to it, we'll add it to our to-do list. So another thing I've been trying to do is on the days that I'm not going to the gym or doing some sort of physical activity, I'm trying to, let's be honest, I'm trying to lose a couple pounds, trying to tone up a little bit, but on the days that I don't go, I try to find something in the house that will make me sweat a little bit, and on this day, I definitely broke a sweat. I'm always going to try to make sure I clean around the baseboards. You guys, did you know that some of the odors in your home actually linger at the baseboards? I learned that many, many years ago. And whenever I clean and vacuum, I always do my baseboards. But that also has to include the boys' closet because let's just be honest, they're boys and they stink sometimes. So I've also paid some special attention in here. This is a mirror I put in the closet for Drew when he gets ready in the morning. I'm actually going to put a motivational quote there, something like, you know, here's the person in charge of your life, or here's the person who can make you have the best life. Something motivational for him to see every single morning. If you have any good motivational tips for a teenager or a preteen, please let me know in the comments below. I'm now going to dust the dresser. This is the dresser I got from IKEA and I absolutely love it. I showed this in the one of my videos that I did. I'll try to find that, but I think it's the Jimenez dresser, and the light there is from Target and it's a touch light and I love it, but every time you even bump it, it goes on and off. I'm also going to make sure I pay some attention to the light switches and the doors because they are white and they get super dirty, and this really makes all the difference when you're deep cleaning. It just makes the room feel so put together and cleaned up.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you.
And just in case anyone asks, the bunk bed is from Walmart and we cut the legs off to make it lower to the ground because the kids didn't want to be so close to the fan. And I made the cross up there, and the striped curtains are actually from Target and they're blackout curtains, 96 inch. Now I'm going to start on the other boys' room, and I'm going to start with dusting. I want to get all the dusting done so then when I vacuum it's all sucked up and I don't have to worry about it in the air. My husband did the board and batten, I believe that's what you call, on the wall there. I absolutely love it, and it's something we're also going to do in our front room and in our hallway, so I cannot wait to show you those projects soon. I almost started painting the hallway today, and I'm like, no, I got to get my battery charged up because I want to totally document everything that I do to my house.
And change for something new. Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
You will see me holding my phone up to my ear. I don't have my Bluetooth headphones on at this time, and I'm actually listening to some I Am affirmations. You guys have got to look into that. It's really encouraging and helps motivate you to just really live the best life that you possibly can.
Like a warning, could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the
So I'm making sure I get all of the ledges and the picture frames in here because the dust really settles. So I'm making sure I pay some special attention to these areas. I'm also getting the fan, I'm getting the light switches and the light on the fan, and I'm also going to get the ceiling up there. If I'm all the way up there, I might as well get the ceiling. I love this little accessory on the Dyson here, how I'm able to bend it and curve it to be able to get the top of the fan, which is really, really convenient. Now right here, I am also cleaning the vent and making sure I'm getting all the dust off of there as well, and any of the dust that may have fallen on the top of his bunk bed. So I'm going to do in here what I did in the other boys' rooms, just making sure I get their door and the light switches, just making sure I finish it up and make it look really clean. Let me know your favorite way to clean baseboards. Do you like the microfiber cloths, a good old-fashioned rag, or maybe a magic eraser? Let me know in the comments below what you guys like to use the most. Okay guys, I'm all done and both rooms feel so good. I'm so happy for the kiddos to start school on a clean slate. Everything's put up and organized. We're just starting off on the right foot, and I love that. The closet feels clean, the room feels really clean, and I think this is the perfect way to start a new year. Both of the kids were so thankful. Well, all four of the kids actually, both sets of the boys were all so thankful that I cleaned their room, which really made my heart happy, and I could just tell that they really appreciated it, and I just think it's the perfect way to start a new year. This year is going to be amazing for all of us, and I'm just really excited to see what the future holds. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my little family. Go ahead and click that subscribe button right there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.